Hello and welcome to this month's 2-minute update. I have a whole bunch of cool stuff to go over, so let's dig in. As you can see, our office is like 95% done. We're so excited. It looks amazing. We are so excited. We're going to have you come join us to open it up. So we plan on having an open house in October. We'd love to have you here. See everything. We'll have prizes, all sorts of stuff to give away, but just a cool place to look at. So keep an eye out for the invitation on that. Next thing I want to talk about is vendor security. You should be working with all of your vendors to make sure that they have security standards. You should be asking them, what are their security standards and how are they keeping themselves safe? We have a document that we're making available to you that tells you all about our security. What are we doing to keep ourselves safe? You should be doing this with all of your vendors as well. Make sure that they have their own security in place. Along with security, let's talk about AI. AI is awesome, does some cool things. There are also some dangers involved. We did a cybersecurity training video on AI and how AI can be used as a bad actor and a bad defense. Our most attended, most watched cybersecurity training video to date. Take a look at it. The link to it is below. Highly recommend that you watch it. Our next cybersecurity training is going to be in October. Look out for that as well. We're going to have some really cool things that we're going to go over in that one. Next thing I want to talk about as we start getting into this time of the year is hot spare equipment. This starts to become a little more important as we get towards the end of the year because this one equipment takes a little bit longer to get, but also when there's a lot more activity as far as users coming on board. So you may want to consider getting a hot spare equipment to have on hand. This is really important. It keeps your user downtime to a minimum, keeps your onboarding time for new employees to a minimum. It's a very, very small cost to have, but could be a huge asset for you. Next thing I want to talk about is all the services that we have to offer. We have a lot of things that we offer now as we grow. So we have things like website design. We have a live 24/7 help desk. We have application design. We have all sorts of things, you name it, we probably cover it. So if you have a need in your industry and your organization, reach out to us. We'll let you know. We probably can help you out with that. That's all I have. I hope you have an amazing day.